How to create MIDI files in Soundation. First of all, open Soundation and either create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add a MIDI file. Once your project loads, look to the left panel and click on Add Channel, then Instrument Channel. From here, click on any partial instrument like Simple Synth or CM2. Next, you need to create a new MIDI clip. To do this, double-click on the track area of the instrument you just added. This creates a blank MIDI region where you can begin composing. Then, double-click on that region to open the piano roll editor. Inside the piano roll, you can draw in notes by clicking on the grid. Each horizontal row represents a different pitch and the vertical timeline shows where the notes will play in time. You can adjust the length, pitch and velocity of each note just by dragging them. If you want to duplicate notes or entire section, just select them and use the copy and paste option. You can also use the quantize feature to align your notes perfectly to the beat. Once you are happy with your MIDI arrangement, you can loop it, duplicate it, or add more regions to extend your composition. If needed, you can also export your entire song or project, which will include the MIDI arrangement you created. And that's it. Now you know how to create MIDI files in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.